Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Choose one narrow niche and define an ideal follower to target. Aim for one audience, not everyone, so your content speaks directly to their needs and habits. Write a concise bio with one CTA and link to a landing page or link tree, and include searchable keywords in your bio. Optimize your username and handle for keywords, keep them short, and use consistent branding across posts and story highlights to help discovery and trust. Focus on short-form video. Publish 1-2 reels daily and 3-5 stories each day to maximize reach and algorithmic signals. Make reels 15-30 seconds, start with a hook in the first 3 seconds, add captions, and include a 1-2 second branded intro so viewers recognize your content quickly. For each post, use 5-10 relevant hashtags, 2 niche tags, and 1 location tag. Pair entertainment value with clear utility, and a CTA that prompts saves, shares, or comments. Grow through consistent engagement and strategic partnerships. Reach out to creators for shoutouts and exchanges, and aim for 3 partnerships monthly to tap new audiences. Monitor insights weekly, track reach, saves, shares, comments, and follower growth, and double down on formats that hit high retention. Pin 3 top posts, include clear CTAs, and use paid boosts for posts that exceed 8% engagement to scale. Test copy, thumbnails, and posting times every 7-14 days for incremental improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.